Welcome to my house! I bought a house. I cannot believe it. It is my first night here. The movers literally just left. So I want to take you guys on a house tour. Like, what does this light switch do? So when you first walk in, you have the kitchen, living room, and dining room all in one. The kitchen is like pretty modern. I still have like all my old stuff in here and nothing is put away. The movers literally just left. So it's a little messy. This also means that you guys can look forward to the follow-up video because I'm gonna make it so nice in here. So then there's this chandelier here, which is supposed to be like the dining room area. I want to change it out for something a little bit, I don't know, more like minimalist maybe slightly industrial, something just a little bit different. So I need to get, or I want to get like a long dining table, you know, because like for all three of my friends to come over and have dinner. Everyone's been saying to put like a bar area there. It's like a pretty big empty space, so I'm not sure what to do with that yet. Dude, the living room just gives me good vibes. I just love how big and open it is and how much light there is. So I definitely don't want this to be like a formal living room. Like I want it to be comfy and inviting and like chill and watch movies on Sundays and just have like good times here. My itty bitty square Amazon coffee table doesn't fit anymore. I love my Z Gallery couch. I'm gonna keep this, but then it's like, what does one do with this? There's lots of recessed lighting, but there's no dimmers, so I think I'll probably wanna add some dimmers, you know, if I wanna get like all moody in here. And then there's this chandelier, it still has the plastic on it. I conveniently noticed there's no cable plug over there. So like, how are we gonna watch TV? Here are the doors out to the backyard. I definitely wanna put like a barbecue pit out here. Oh, like a fire pit. Fire pit is a must. Yeah. Come on, gremlin. So this is a, I don't know, extra storage closet. Probably put my suitcases and whatever else in here. Excuse me. So then this is the first guest bedroom downstairs. I think it's the same size as the one upstairs, but it has nice closets that it already has like built-ins. I feel like that's really convenient. This is the guest bathroom. Again, it's very glam with like the mirrors and the light fixtures. I'm probably gonna leave it like this for a while. It's not like the top of my priority list to change it out. We have washer and dryer right here. Well, we have where the washer and dryer will go when I buy one, which is pretty high on the priority list. I should like get that done now. We have this closet. I'm like, is this a linen closet? I don't know, but it's a lot of storage. So then this is the master suite downstairs. It has the hall closets. And then it has another closet right here inside of the room. So like, I actually wish I could take this master, but just because you have so much storage space. And then there's also a fireplace here, which is cool because you can get all like cozy in the winter time. And then I'm pretty sure this is gonna be Alan's bathroom. We haven't quite like figured out his living situation yet. Gremlin's gotta learn to get good at going up and down the stairs. She sometimes has been doing it, but then other times she doesn't want to. Okay, so now we're up in the loft area. It was actually staged like a second living room when I was in here, but I thought it would be really cool to make it like a workspace / hangout space. This is going to be my filming room, makeup room. I'll probably end up editing in here too, but this is just exciting because I've never had an area to film in this big. I'm excited to have my studio actually like organized and keep it nice and clean and just have like a workspace that is good for creativity. you know? Next up, we have the spare bedroom. I actually wanted, I'm gonna sit down. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna lay down. I actually wanted to make this my office, but then I'm pretty sure Alan is gonna take both bedrooms downstairs too because he wants a workspace and a bedroom. So I was like, dang, I'm gonna have this whole house with no spare bedroom. I was like, that's kind of shady. Like, what about when people want to come stay with me? So I was like, oh, I'll make this the spare bedroom and then I'll put my office in the loft. So in here right now, I actually have my current bedroom set because I ordered a new bed. I ordered a king bed. It's time to upgrade. I graduated to a king bed. I have a queen. Like, I want this place to be, you know, a place where people always come and feel welcome and have a good time. I grew up in like a really big family. Oh, thank you. Always having family over and friends and stuff, so this is the guest bathroom upstairs and you guys are gonna love it. We have Sephora floors. But yeah, I really like the floors in here. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Can you get down? No? Do you need help? Okay. This area right here, I just put those chairs there, but I really actually, the longer I've been looking at those chairs, the more I despise them. So then this is my bathroom. We also have the Sephora floors in here, which I'm excited about. Same scheme as the other guest bathroom. This one has 2 vanities. So this is my closet. It comes with a mirror on the wall that's kind of warped. Kind of like a skinny mirror, but like kind of like a funhouse mirror. Yeah, this is really cool. I feel like I have lots of storage in here. Honestly, I can't tell if this was like more or less than what I had before because of like the drawers and like the compartments. I don't really have that much clothes anyways right now in my life. And then I'm so excited about my bedroom. I can't wait till I get my new bed and just get it set up and have it like all comfy. So I love the color blue. I'm like obsessed. I don't know, like it makes me feel good. So I ordered this navy blue bed from Overstock. Tell me why they're like 1 to 3 weeks is what it said on the website. Then I order it, pay for it, and they're like, oh, by the way, it's actually up to 6 weeks for it to be delivered. So I'm gonna be staying in that little guest bedroom for a while, but it's cool because it gives me time to like buy my other pieces and stuff. And yeah, I almost forgot to show you guys like the coolest part of this house is the backyard. So it is huge. It's just so awesome because we can do whatever we want with it. We could like do a pool or put a house back here. Yeah, I don't even know. Gremlin has all the space in the world to run. I needed to sit down. My arms were getting tired. You know, it's funny. I wasn't even gonna like really post about my house on social media. I was like, oh, I'll put it on my fitness vlog, but I'm not really gonna like make a thing of it, you know? And then last night when I came and my manager surprised me with the welcome home balloons, I was just like, honestly, I was like overwhelmed and emotional. Thank you guys so much. This is so nice. It looks so different now that it's empty. And everyone was encouraging me like, dude, you should post it. You should post it. Anyways, fast forward, I did share it. And I'm so glad that I did because everyone's just been like, I don't know, has just made me feel like everyone has just been so nice and supportive about it. And it just makes me feel really good. I'm just thankful and feeling grateful to be where I'm at. So I'm gonna go eat. Dude, I'm so hungry. I'm about to up some In-N-Out. Thank you guys for going on my little impromptu home tour. Make sure you check back because then like maybe, because as I get things more together, I'm gonna I'll update you guys. I mean, it might be a long time. But yeah, definitely make sure you check back because
I'll share with y'all. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.